Hello, this is Cindy Baker, and I have a short video to show you how to add course learning outcomes to your different assessments in iLearn. There are really two easy ways to do this, and I'll cover those today. But the first step, before you even get into iLearn, you need to send your syllabus to Waleed. Waleed will put your course learning outcomes into iLearn so that you can then attach them to your various assessments. I've got his email address up here on the screen. And again, Waleed, he's the course management system admin. He's the iLearn administrator, effectively. So once you send your syllabus to him, he needs official documentation, so send over your syllabus. He will get those entered into iLearn, and then you can proceed. And there are two ways to do this. One is to assign course learning outcomes to an assignment, and another way is to assign a course learning outcome to a particular question on an exam. So first, I'm going to demonstrate how to do this on an assignment. I'm in my course, and under assignments here, Navigation Introduction is an assignment that I want to assign my first course learning outcome. So if you click, after you've created the assignment, click on the gray down arrow, and you're going to add alignments. Course learning outcomes are called alignments in iLearn. So whenever I click on Add Alignments, you'll get a pop-up screen, and you can scroll down to Goal Set. And in Goal Set, you'll start to see all the courses. This is where Waleed will add everything for you. So I'm going to scroll down and find my course, Management 315. I'll select that course, and now whenever I scroll back up, I see my 4 course learning outcomes for Management 315 for my Enterprise Resource Planning class. And for this particular assignment, I'm going to attach the first CLO, demonstrate how to navigate. I will submit, and you can see that now this has been added. If you can't see it, you might want to click on this gray arrow over here. Now also to show you what the students see. The students will see the assignment as well as the goal for that particular assignment. So the students can in fact see the CLO. And it is as simple as that, attaching your CLO. Now we have to measure that CLO at the end of the semester. And so let me show you how I do that. I will scroll down to the Grade Center. And here I can find that particular assignment. I will scroll over, and here it is. And so clicking on the gray down arrow, I can look at column statistics. Because that entire assignment was assigned a CLO, I can now look here and find the information that I need. And so the achievement of that CLO is specifically right here at the average for that assignment. It's 91%. That's quite high, doesn't surprise me. This is a fairly easy assignment. And so I can now demonstrate that that CLO had a 91% attainment, I guess is the proper word. So as simple as that. Again, on the assignment, I am using the drop down to add an alignment. And then in the Grade Center, I can check out the average grade for that assignment and understand how well I attained that alignment or attained that CLO. The other way that I typically use CLO is in exams. And in exams, I will assign a CLO to a particular question. So here I'm going to edit this exam. This is information from the spring of 2020. So my first question, an essay question, again, using the drop down, adding alignments, and I again scroll down first to the goal set and pick my course. And then I pick the specific alignment that I want to use. And I'm going to cancel out of this since this is already assigned. So this is the alignment that I wanted, explain business functional areas. And again, this time it's assigned to a specific question on an exam. So the students will take that exam, and then again, I can go down to the Grade Center, And this time it's going to be a little bit different to understand how well that CLO was achieved or attained. So on the exam, I will now want to go to item analysis. Click on item analysis. And if you've not done it for the first time, you will need to run the analysis, and it takes just a few seconds. I have already run that, and so now my analysis is available. And I can click on the exam. And there's a lot of great information here, but specifically what I want to show you is here is my question that I had assigned the CLO to. And I can actually see for this question, the average was 66%, which is below the threshold that we have set. So this tells me that these students did not attain the knowledge that I expected them to for this particular CLO. This is something that I would need to revisit, retest again, maybe explain differently. You know, I would need to complete that feedback loop to try to get this above the threshold that we have set in the business school, which is 70%. So again, these steps are on the exam. I can choose a particular question, and I can, any question, use the drop down, add alignments, and then to measure that CLO in the Grade Center on that particular exam or assignment, item analysis. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, my name is Cindy Baker, and my email is cbaker@aus.edu.